Hello, this is Michael Emery with Emery EPS Internet Marketing, and I'm doing website reviews for the keyword search phrase Seattle Attorney. And essentially what I'm doing is I'm identifying some of the factors that are preventing a website from being on page 1 of the search results in the top 3 positions. So we're on page 7 now, and we're going to look down through position 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. So we're almost to the bottom of page 7. We see Seattle family law attorney Stephen A. Hemmat. So let's take a look at this website and see what's happening here. So it's a fair amount of text on here. Let's go ahead and crawl through it using the robots and see what they would see. Okay, so we got the title, Seattle, an attorney. Seattle attorney. Probably would be better to have those together at some point. Meta keywords. So the law office of Stephen A. Hemmat, PS. Okay, so we need to optimize the headers here. We only have one H1, which is good, but we need to have an H2 and H3 minimum, at least 1 or 2 more times on there to make it more effectively optimized. Micro formats need to be added, and the rest of it looks all right. So it looks like it's still being analyzed with GT metrics. Let's go over to page speed and see what they're seeing. So we got an error right off the bat. We're technically not passing the mobile review test, and we've got some optimized image situation that's happening here. That's probably what's slowing down the GT metrics review. And then we've got a very standard eliminate render blocking error. We can fix those. The same things are affecting the desktop version of this website. Let's go back here. It looks like it's still loading kind of slow. So I'll go back to that if it finishes in time. Here's another factor. This is the factor that really determines whether or not a website is going to be positioned on the first page of Google search results. It's going to be the trust flow. And unfortunately, there's just not enough trust and not enough backlinks for this website to get it to show up any higher. So we're seeing a trust flow of 8. If we were to go over to google.com and see an analysis of google.com, we're going to see a trust flow of 98, 8.1 trillion backlinks, a backlink spatter chart that looks like that. And then out of those 8 trillion backlinks, we've got 80% of them are a variety of text that cannot be categorized, and then less than 4% of those can be categorized into links that just say google.com, which are the keyword search phrases. So looks like we're still loading this. Okay, so we go back here. We don't have enough links. It's just one generic link. So, and it's coming from attorneys.org. So we definitely need to run some SEO campaigns here. What we want to do is we want to boost this trust flow up to be in the 30+ range so that we can be positioned for page 1 search results, and then position ourselves for being in the top 3 search results on google.com, where the majority of the website traffic is going to be going. So essentially, if you're on the bottom of page 1 in Google, say position 10, and through the rest of the pages, page 2, 3, 5, etc., they're going to be getting less than 1% of the overall search traffic for a term. The top 3 search results are the ones that get the majority of the website visitors. So it looks like that's still running. I'm going to make some guesses here. We're going to say we're probably in the C to D range in terms of performance. So we're going to need some on-site optimization. So what we want to do is we want to fix the issues that are preventing the website from receiving higher scores in GT metrics and also Google. Those play into the ranking algorithm. And then we want to look at enhancing the trust flow of the website. We have to get the trust flow up, and then we also have to have backlinks that connect to the website that use a mixture of our keyword phrases that we're targeting, our brand, and also naked or just plain URL links that just show the web address. Looks like we're still running here. So what I would love to do is have the opportunity to speak with the individual who's in charge of internet marketing for this firm and outline a plan forward, and then answer any questions that he or she might have. And essentially what we want to do is we want to position this website higher in the search results, ideally page 1, top 3 positions, so that you're getting the lion's share of the website visitors, because once you have more visitors, you have more visibility, you have more conversions, you help more people, and as a result, you generate higher income. So that's something that I definitely like to have help you guys out with. So thank you very much for your time, and I will be in touch. It looks like the test just finished here. So we're low Bs. We're doing okay, but there are factors that we can improve, and these factors directly play into what Google is telling us. So we definitely look at fixing those. Thank you.